welcome to another episode of the Anytime Fitness Stories. Here we share real people and the real stories. And today's guest, we have none other than the powerhouse, who is someone like we hear a lot of her voice in radio. I guess Mirchi, right?
Yes.
And it's been really honor to take her in a podcast and to show your like how do I express it? I'm kind of really bit nervous and
No,
yes,
it's fun. It's fun because it is quite inspiring that you have been a trainer. We'll do it in English, right?
yes,
We'll do it in
English, Hindi,
English.
yes, will
English and Hindi. Okay. So, I have seen you on floor. You have been training people for a long time and now
yes.
you are right doing this exactly. I'm nervous actually.
No, it's such an inspiring story. And we have seen you in the gym working out, your voice in the radio, someone, it feels like someone who is like really confident with her like day-to-day life, with her work and with the workouts. So, RJ Shelley, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for inviting me. Thank you so much. It means a lot.
So, what made RJ Shelley today? Who, how are you built up? What made your foundations? आज आप जहाँ पे हो, कैसे आप पहुँचे हो वहाँ पे? I just want to know the side of RJ Shelley that no one else knows.
ये बहुत पुरानी बात है, तब आप
Okay.
शायद पैदा नहीं हुए थे, if I am not wrong.
Okay.
You to be young. So, रेडियो इंडस्ट्री में मैं 18 साल से हूँ. It's been 18 years. So right now I'm the content head of Mirchi.
Okay.
So now I actually train new talents, I train them to go on air, build up
Okay.
with lot of confidence. जो गलतियां मैंने की है उन्हें मैं बोलती हूँ कि गलतियां करो, गलतियां नहीं करोगे तो नहीं सीखोगे. बट गलती बार बार मत करो, मुझे प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. बट आई लव सीइंग न्यू एज टैलेंट्स. आज के जो बच्चे हैं उनका अलग ही एक जोश जज्बा जुनून होता है. इफ यू आस्क मी अबाउट माय जर्नी, इट स्टार्टेड लॉन्ग बैक. आई वाज एट कॉलेज.
Okay.
It was just a college fresher, and then not Mirchi, but there was another radio station. I was working for 15 years as a jock.
Okay.
So they were hunting for a fresh voice, new voice. नई आवाज चाहिए था,
Okay.
young talent चाहिए था. And I love to talk. I don't know, this podcast will never stop. If I start talking, if I be myself.
Okay.
So मैं बात करना मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And I don't worry about what's going to happen next. I just take life like music. I go with the flow. So that happened and I cracked that interview and then went for the auditions. I cracked that audition too. And then बस वहाँ से journey शुरू होता है. I was 19 years old when I joined
Okay.
that radio station. I'm not naming that brand because I don't work with that brand anymore. But yeah, that's about it. Uske baad now I'm the content head. Now I train new talents.
Okay.
I host shows sometimes. But I love to see the world right now, new talents, hustling to go on air, the mistakes they make and
Yes.
everything. So yeah, that's about it. आपकी तरह ही है थोड़ा बहुत.
Good.
आप ट्रेनिंग को बैक सीट ले लिए हो, अभी थोड़ा सा आप एंजॉय करते हो.
नहीं नहीं ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं. हम लोग प्रेशर, भयंकर प्रेशर रहते हैं हम लोग का ऊपर की. एंड लाइक हाउ डिड यू स्टार्ट फिटनेस जर्नी? वो कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ?
Oh, it started, okay, I was obese.
Okay.
But again, I'm someone जो hard work में believe करती है. I believed in hard work and I went for Miss India also.
Oh.
In 2009, I was in top 10.
Okay.
Pooja Chopra's batch, the year when Pooja Chopra won Miss Indian. So, उससे पहले I was obese. So, मुझे ना वो crown जो पहनते हैं, I fell in love with that process. Not modeling, but I loved that crown. It made me feel that मुझे वो crown पहनना है. And that's how the whole fitness journey started. There was this trainer, Mithun बोल के. He's the first one who trained me. And that's about it. उन्होंने कुछ, of course, तब मैं बहुत छोटी थी. To burn calories, to get into that whole burning thing and losing weight was lot more easier than what it happens with age and everything.
Correct.
तो उससे ना वो चस्का लग गया. When I saw that transformation, it's not only about losing weight or losing inches, it's about a transformation. Transformation journey is very spiritual actually. You just see a different you.
Yes.
And that motivated me. उसके बाद again, I love to eat food. I'm a Bengali जिसको खाना पसंद है. Anything to do with potato, I'm obsessed.
Okay.
Be it biryani, be it posto,
Okay.
be it paratha, it has to have potato in it.
Okay.
So I love to eat, but then fitness is something which I learned, कि you have to be regular. ये एक lifestyle बनाना है. ये छोटी चीज नहीं है. It's a long term process.
Correct, correct.
So it's like relationship. You cannot divorce or break up every other date. It's not good for you. So you
Yes,
just keep it
yes,
going.
absolutely.
That's how I relate.
So like from all the biryanis, potatoes, alus, उसमें से how do you manage your day-to-day diet? वो कैसा manage करते हो? Because being a Bengali, like वो that's a you're born with it. वो आलू
उसके लिए एनी टाइम फिटनेस है ना.
yes,
बैलेंस आउट करती हूँ.
okay.
खाना भी खाती हूँ.
हाँ.
बट येस ऑफ कोर्स व्हाट यू सेड इज वेरी राइट. सब कुछ खाना इज नॉट अ गुड साइन.
Correct.
इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हाउ यू बैलेंस योर डे, हाउ यू बैलेंस योर डाइट ऑल्सो.
Mm-hmm.
सो आई ईट एवरीथिंग प्रॉपर. एक मेजरमेंट में हर रोज मेजरमेंट नहीं होता है, बट देन यू नो द ट्रेनर हु ट्रेन्स मी इज
I know, yes.
yeah, I always twist his names. Rajamul.
Yes.
Yeah. So he trains me and he's someone who always tells me कि कुछ छोड़ना नहीं है. खाओ लेकिन एक proper
Portion control.
portion control कर. So that helps I think. और वो तो थोड़ा सा अभी उम्र हो गया है, so I always believe like सब कुछ balance में ही ठीक है. No, I'm not that old also, but it's just what I want. सो बैलेंस करके खाने से मुझे आई थिंक हो जाता है. आप लोग बहुत ज्यादा ट्रेनिंग जो लोग करते हो बहुत ज्यादा डाइट करते हो. यू गाइस गो फॉर नो सॉल्ट, नो वाटर,
No, no, it's
नथिंग, नो एयर.
ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं. हम भी इंसान है.
एयर ऐसे नहीं पोल्यूटेड है. यू शुड नॉट बी. वी शुड स्टॉप एक्चुअली ब्रीथिंग वन डे.
Like we also like try to like balance it out. Yes. कभी कभार like में fun भी चाहिए.
हाँ.
So सब कुछ अगर नमक चीनी जीना छोड़ देंगे फिर.
But you guys do some kind of
Yes.
no salt,
Yes.
something.
But that's totally a different like aspect of fitness. This comes when you go for bodybuilding preparation. Yeah. But I believe fitness is something which you should do in your day-to-day life that will like make your day-to-day life work more like how I would say you can carry out your day-to-day life in a more easy way.
शादी की तरह है ना. You have to sustain that relationship. You cannot keep on changing.
Yes, yes. ताकि आज जिम में जाके थोड़ा करने से आई कुड एटलीस्ट क्लाइंब द स्टेयर्स विदाउट द लिफ्ट. आज जिम में जाके थोड़ा मैं वर्कआउट करूँ तो एटलीस्ट अगर कल को मेरा गाड़ी खराब हो गया अरे सब्जी का बैग तो मैं लेके चल सकता हूँ. दैट्स व्हाट गुड फिटनेस मींस.
Same.
व्हाट इज योर टर्म्स ऑफ फिटनेस? आप क्या बिलीव करते हो?
Same thing, there's no skip button in fitness. Music के playlist में होता, we can skip the music we don't like, but in fitness, there's nothing called I don't like. It's everything. और मुझे लगता है ये fitness में क्या होता है ना, you're doing it for yourself. ये मैंने realize किया है. जिम में अगर मैं 1 घंटा भी हूँ, I'm doing everything for myself. I'm not doing it for anyone else. I'm doing it for myself. So ये मुझे बहुत motivate करता है. ये मेरा मंत्रा है. Like, I am doing this 1 hour is for myself. Whatever I do here is what going to benefit me and no one else. So मैं पूरा 100% देती हूँ. And yeah, I like ATF's environment also. And it's easy also. हर जगह में है. मैं बहुत travel करती हूँ.
यस.
हर शहरों में है.
सो वो कार्ड आप कैरी करते हो?
Always. I think that's very. अब मैं बॉम्बे में, I think बॉम्बे में सारे जिम में मैं जा चुकी हूँ.
ओके.
They know me. Like every other month, I go there and we're like, okay.
Even in Kolkata I see you like you one day I see you in Chinna Park, one day I see you in Gadiahat.
I go to South वाला में.
Yes, yes.
I love the machines there.
All our machines are good. ऐसा ये बात नहीं.
But I love those things which only, something like that. ये होता है ना ऐसे हाथ से कुछ करते हैं.
Skiing.
Skiing, yeah.
Okay.
Skiing, and then the squat machine has also.
Yes, 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 yes.
I like that.
Okay. एंड ऐसा कुछ वर्कआउट है जो आपको करना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है बट स्टिल ट्रेनर की वजह से करना पड़ता है बिकॉज द ट्रेनर फोर्सेस यू नहीं करना है तो करना है. ऐसा कोई वर्कआउट है?
अभी नहीं है. There was a time when I used to hate burpees.
ओके.
But again, जो भी मुझे पसंद नहीं होता है ना, मैं बहुत ज्यादा करती हूँ उसको.
ओके.
तो मैंने इतना किया that now I love CrossFit actually. I love burpees and everything. So my trainer now is like stressed. कि how come you like CrossFit? Like most of my clients or most of my students, they are like no यार, no CrossFit, कुछ और करा. Like but so yeah, एक टाइम में बर्पीज पसंद नहीं आता. बट देन आई थॉट कि बर्पीज ही एक है जो मुझे जिंदगी में आगे लेके जाएगा. सो लेट्स डू इट.
ऐसा क्यों? वो माइंडसेट कहाँ से आया?
बिकॉज मैं आई वाज ओबीज ना. सो automatically to lose weight I had to do स्ट्रेंथ के साथ आई हैड टू डू क्रॉसफिट.
So अभी कौन सा पसंद है? Like you love lifting weights or you love doing more like more of
I love lifting weight. That's no negotiation there. You know, I
Mhm.
love lifting weights, but yeah, I love CrossFit also. 'Cause CrossFit में, you know, if you want to lose weight, then definitely थोड़ा सा वो चाहिए है. अच्छा भी लगता है.
अच्छा भी लगता है. Like you after the exertion you feel that
I feel like Milkha Singh. And I put that music on.
okay. So then again, let's say someone who is obese and wants to start their fitness journey, what would be that one piece of advice that you would give them? Especially in females.
एक तो है ना, हम लोग खुद से खुश नहीं होते. This happens. Like you stand in front of the mirror, you will never say, "Oh my God, wow." You never say that, right?
Correct.
You will say, यार ये ठीक नहीं है, वो ठीक नहीं है, वो अच्छा है. I think ये चीज़ ना हमें कहीं ना कहीं रोकना है. It's very important. I also talk a lot about mental health. Because I myself was going through a phase where I was, you know, going through a hard phase as per mental health.
Okay.
You know, I broke all the barriers. You know, मैंने कभी उसको मैं दबा के नहीं रखी हूँ. I went out, I went for TED Talk, I went for Josh Talks, I spoke about it. I spoke about mental health, I spoke about depression. I said it's absolutely okay not to feel okay. You don't have to pretend कि सब ठीक नहीं चल रहा है. That's it, right? That's
Yes.
very easy, but बोलते नहीं है. This is another problem with all, you know, females or girls, not females, girls. They're not happy with themselves.
Mhm.
They keep on thinking कि ये अच्छा नहीं, वो अच्छा नहीं है. ये चीज़ पहले रोकना है. I think it's all here. Like हम लोग आप
Yes.
maybe training में बोलते हैं ना, it's not only about this or this, it's
Yes.
about this. You have to train your brain कि मुझे 100 kilos का deadlift करना है. Train your brain. So to start a journey, a fitness journey, you have to train your brain and your heart. If you train brain and heart, I think it's very easy. You can lift कोई भी load उठा लोगे, कोई भी weight उठा लोगे, कोई भी pounds and kgs उठा लोगे. So I think it's very simple. So all those girls out there, you just have to believe in yourself. That's it. No before after picture can
Mhm.
inspire you. All that can inspire you is yourself. So that's it.
So talking about life
Hmm.
and fitness. So how do you balance with this both? Because there should be some hack to balance this. जिम भी करेंगे, लाइफ भी एंजॉय करेंगे एज ए बिजी वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल.
खाना मैं खाना देखती हूँ ना, फिर सोचती हूँ यार ये खाना है तो मैं ये करूंगी, ये वर्कआउट करूंगी पूरा हफ्ते, तो मैं वीकेंड को ये खा पाऊंगी.
ओके.
दैट्स हाउ आई कन्विंस माई सेल्फ. एंड बैलेंसिंग, आई थिंक मैंने आपसे इस पॉडकास्ट के शुरुआत में ही कहा था कि जिम में मैं देखती हूँ डॉक्टर्स आते हैं,
Correct.
एडवोकेट्स आते हैं, टीचर्स आते हैं. There are people who are not fit or going through some kind of diseases, you know, they work out. If they can, then I should not be saying no to my workout routine. I think it's very, these people inspire me, you know, some businessman who's so busy, doctors जिनका lifestyle इतना मतलब अजीब सा होता है. So वो लोग अगर कर पाते हैं every day, then I should not be saying, you know, give any excuse to fitness. So that's how, you know, I balance it out.
And talking about mental health, you said you have been to Joe's Talks, TED Talks, and like struggling was also in your part.
Yeah,
So
of course.
please put some light. आप कैसे इसको overcome किए हो? What steps, if we are going through that phase, what can we do? And what should be our approach?
I think you should hit the gym. Or it's not only gym, you can hit Pilates, gym, cardio, go for running, but do something which will increase your, you know, वो कहते हैं ना, एक जुनून सा आ जाता है when you start working out and everything. That has helped me. Actually, I always tell people that, you know, when I was going through that phase, mental breakdown or whatever, that is the time when I started again working out.
Okay.
And that whole 2 hours में बहुत time spend करती थी उस वक्त जिम में. So, you know, those 2 hours like best होते थे. उसके बाद I used to feel tired. I used to get back home. और मेरा sleeping cycle ठीक हो गया था उसकी एक वजह से. So it's not only emotional, but there are medical, you know, reasons to give that. Yes, you should work out to get rid of mental breakdowns or, you know, any emotional turbulence that if you're going through.
Okay.
वर्कआउट करो, वो ऑटोमेटिकली ठीक हो जाता है. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप जिम जाओ, रन के लिए चले जाओ, आप घर पे वर्कआउट कर लो, योगा कर लो, कुछ भी कर लो, बट एक्टिव रहना इज इम्पोर्टेंट. सो आई थिंक आई फॉट with my mental turbulence by being fit and active.
So जिम नहीं जा पाते हो आप,
Hmm.
so what do? You go for a run, you go for what is that one thing that which you love other than gym?
I love doing Pilates also.
Okay.
I go for my Pilates classes here
Okay.
in the city only.
Mm-hmm.
So that's another thing I love doing. I think
Okay.
it's close to working out,
Okay.
but yeah, that's another thing which I do.
And आपको पार्टी
इसके अलावा अगर मैं वर्कआउट नहीं कर पाती तो
हम्म
मेरे 2 डॉग्स हैं.
Okay.
Play with them. I run with them. Trust me. You burn a lot of calories because no one can actually challenge. When you play with them, they are so energetic. They are running, grabbing balls. इधर से उधर से इधर, so automatically 15-20 मिनट में थक जाते हैं. That's something I do, if I don't get time to work.
Okay, that's really great. And आपको पार्टी करना पसंद है?
मैं पार्टी बहुत ज़्यादा करती थी, अभी भी करती हूँ. But yeah, I love meeting people. I love socializing, and my work profile also demands me to, meet a lot of people.
Okay.
So yes, I love partying.
तो पार्टी के साथ आप टायर वगैरह कभी भी क्लैश नहीं हुआ है? कभी भी ये दिमाग में चल रहा है कि आज पार्टी नहीं करने हैं, आज या फिर लाइक बुला रहे हैं, हाउ टू स्किप, हाउ टू अवॉइड, आप वो कैसे मैनेज करते हो?
मैं तो हमेशा आई यूज जिंजर एल या तो एप्पी फिज डाल लेती हूँ ग्लास में. प्रिटेंड आई एम ड्रिंकिंग
ओके.
बिकॉज आप ना बोलोगे ना
हाँ.
तो दे विल फोर्स यू मोर.
ओके.
So if you pretend you're, oh my god, I get high, like drinking 2-3 Appy Fizz पी रही हूँ मैं, या तो जिंजर ले भी उधर हेल्दियर वर्जन है, या तो टॉनिक वाटर डाल के उसमें एक नींबू डाल के, आई लाइक, oh my god, I'm enjoying having fun. और मैं थोड़ा डांस कर लेती हूँ, क्या अपना जुम्बा का सब्स्टिट्यूट हो जाता.
हाँ, हाँ.
So I'm working out also and I'm not drinking also. So वो थोड़ा सा एक्टिंग करना पड़ता है. I think then you can manage. And sometimes you should let yourself, go free.
Go free,
Sometimes
yes,
it is
yes.
very important. वो नहीं करोगे ना तो फिर मजा नहीं आएगा. Have to enjoy.
So life is not only about like in being barriers.
No, it should not, because I have interviewed lot of sports personalities, lot of international sports personalities. They all say the same thing. Everything's fine. Like एक दिन चाहिए जहाँ पे you will break free. Maybe हम लोग के लिए वो हर हफ्ते आता होगा, उनके लिए 1 साल में 1 बार. But then you need that one pause, where you can be yourself. That's very important.
As you said, like you have interviewed multiple like sports person. So उनसे ऐसा क्या और उनमें ऐसा क्या यूनिक चीज है जो हम लोगों में नहीं है?
Discipline.
Okay.
Oh, they are so disciplined. I have interviewed, my first interview was with East Bengal's Deccan captain Alvito. He's right now coach of East Bengal team. I have interviewed Sunil Chhetri in Bangalore. I have interviewed Julan Goswami. She's very dear to me, I have interviewed a lot of people. I mean, there are a lot of people I have interviewed, and only thing that makes them different is their discipline level. I mean, that's to some different thing, the way they are disciplined. If they say, I will come for the interview at 7 p.m., I've seen actors coming like 8, 8:30 बजे. If a sportsman का interview है या sports women का interview है, I ensure I reach early, because वो लोग time पे ही आते हैं. If it's 6, they will be inside the studio at 6. So that's their discipline level. And I'm not talking about anyone else. I'm talking about, for example, Sunil Chhetri. His interview was actually scheduled in the morning because his lifestyle is so. He wakes up at 3 a.m. in the morning every day. So his interview was scheduled at 8 a.m. And he was in the studio at 7:30 a.m. in the morning. He was waiting for me. And I was like, okay, this is the difference. This is what that makes them who they are. So discipline is one thing that you can learn from anyone who plays any sport.
And आप अपने लाइफ में ये डिसिप्लिन कैसे इंप्लीमेंट करते हो?
मैं बहुत disciplined हूँ actually. I'm very disciplined in terms of waking up in the morning, sleeping early, eating on time, giving time to myself, not, going इधर उधर. मेरा वैसा नहीं है. Monday to Friday, I wake up at 5:30 a.m. in the morning.
Okay.
Because I want to spend time with my dogs. I have 2 dogs. मुझे दिन भर उतना time नहीं मिलता है. So 1 घंटा I play with them in the morning. 6:30 तक उनके साथ play करती हूँ. Then, I have my breakfast and all the daily routines. By 8:30, I leave home, and by 9, I'm at the gym.
Okay.
A Salt Lake branch.
Yes.
And I train with my friend and my coach, and then That's it. Then 1 hour वहाँ पे, उसके बाद I'm straight to my workplace. ये routine every day का है. There's no change. And evening को twice a week I go for Pilates. And I ensure my dinner is done by 8:39 and I'm on bed by 10. 10 साढ़े 10 बजे तक I'm there. I'm sleeping by 11. I don't care कौन क्या कर रहा है, क्या कहाँ पे मैं हूँ, but I will ensure that Monday to Friday at least I try to be disciplined. Saturday, Sunday I can break free. I can do whatever I feel like. But the sleeping cycle is very important. Eating is very important. So yeah, being disciplined is very important.
इतना like hectic routine follow करने के बाद do you even feel like some days are low on energy, कुछ करने का मन नहीं कर रहा है?
Yeah, I think that's again a pet therapy. I
Okay.
have lovely pets. I don't know if you love animals
Yes,
or
I
not.
do love animals. I
Yeah,
do love
so I
animals.
love animals so much that I think they are also kind of therapists. You know?
Mhm.
Whenever I feel low, I just go and spend time with my dogs. Or if not anything, I just go out to any chai ki tapri mein, wahan pe, you know, stray dogs, indies hote hai. Both my dogs are actually rescued dogs.
Okay.
One from the streets, another was abandoned, you know, घर के बाहर निकाल दिया था, golden retriever को.
Okay.
मैं लेके आई थी. So both are rescued. So मैं कभी कभी चाय के टपरी में जाके उनके बाकी जितने अपने यू नो डॉगिश भैया लोग हैं उनके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करती हूँ. सो आई थिंक दे आर द बेस्ट थेरेपिस्ट. यू डोंट इवन हैव टू स्पेंड मनी, जस्ट स्पेंड टाइम. इफ यू लव एनिमल्स, बहुत लोग होते हैं डरते हैं. आई एम नॉट फोर्सिंग देम, बट इफ यू लव एनिमल्स, स्पेंड टाइम विद देम. आई थिंक दैट दे आर द बेस्ट थेरेपिस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड.
Absolutely, absolutely. Even I have a small aquarium in my house. Yes.
You have fish.
Yes, I am into
So,
fishes.
yeah, if you see them for a long time, you
Yes.
feel very peace from head.
Yes. So it's my kind of therapy. Like when the days goes a little bit hectic, too many phone calls, too many meetings, sit near the aquarium, stare them, do nothing, you really feel relaxed.
See, it helps.
Really helps, yes. And talking about your workout, as of now, what workout are you following right now? क्या पैटर्न है आपका वर्कआउट का?
स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग होता है, कार्डियो होता है, कोर ट्रेनिंग होता है. You have to ask my trainer. You know, you should interview your set of trainers and including my trainer. कि आप लोग क्या करते हो? Because honestly, I feel the trainers in ATF. I have also worked out in many gyms. I'm not saying this because I'm doing this here, but the trainers here are really, they motivate you a lot and they are very disciplined.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, ATF has this discipline culture. वो दिखता मतलब वो दिखाते नहीं हो आप लोग, but inside there is a process you guys follow, which I really like. You know, system में होता है वो कहते हैं ना. So that is,
try to make sure each and every members get equal attention.
Correct. That I see.
Training.
If you're not paying your PT personal trainer charges, then also there's someone to show you, which is very important, I think. You know, so yeah.
And what was that one myth that you used to believe कि अरे जिम करने से ये होगा, जिम करने से, especially in kind of like in women, there's many misconceptions. Still people believe that if you lift weights you become manly. ऐसा क्या myth था जो आप पहले believe करते थे?
मैं believe करती थी पहले कि you know ज़्यादा weight उठाऊंगी तो मैं मेरे muscles हो जाएंगे. I will look like a boy.
Okay.
I don't know ये कहाँ से आता है लोगों के दिमाग में. मेरे दिमाग में भी था. खाना छोड़ दो फिर दुबला हो जाएंगे. लिफ्ट करेंगे तो you know will become like a man. I think these are myths. You know, gaining muscle, training your muscle, losing fat, it's a science.
Correct.
It takes lot of time and study and research and बहुत आप लोग बहुत रिसर्च करते हो, पढ़ाई करते हो, उसके बाद जाके आपको पता चलता है कैसे क्या करना है. एंड वी जस्ट इन अ मोमेंट वी मेक अ डिसीजन कि नहीं वेट नहीं. आज भी जिम में बोलते हैं लाइक देयर आर लॉट ऑफ फीमेल्स लाइक नो मैं ज्यादा बाइसेप्स नहीं करूंगी, मेरे सनी देओल बन जाऊंगी.
Okay.
So these are myth actually, you know. So ये myth को तोड़ना it's not easy. Probably things like this can help.
Yes.
Some kind of discussions like this will help. Because I train a lot. I lift lot of weights. I try to, you know, with help of my trainer. But yes, that doesn't make me manly. I mean, that's
Something will never make you because you don't even have the hormones to do it.
correct.
Yes.
It's a science.
Yes, because well, how much weight you lift, because females don't have that hormone. तो उनको manly बना दे.
Correct.
So yes, this is the one myth.
Photos देखते हैं, कुछ videos देखते हैं. I think they do it on purpose. Like
Yes, they have different. That's their goal. They want to build more muscles. They have different kind of goals. They want to look good on stage.
correct.
You know, आजकल layman in our terms, or let's say in our day-to-day life, someone who is into business when do like 9 to 5 job, for them our goal is different.
Yeah. So वो समझाना is difficult. But then yes, I think it's time. People are changing. Mindsets are changing a lot.
Correct.
I've seen a lot of females working out, lifting weights, not even thinking twice ke they will look like a mard. And yeah, I think that's one myth.
जो पहले आप बिलीव करते थे
पहले बिलीव करती थी, अभी आई नो इट डजंट हैपन. In fact,
It-
it takes lot of effort to become to
build up the
to build up that muscle. Yeah, काश होता. वो होता ही नहीं है.
you have to eat a lot of proteins, you have to lift a lot
Yeah,
of weights, you have
yeah.
to like at least hit 4-5 times like
Yeah.
in a week.
हम्म.
तब जाके वो होगा.
So,
So you are someone who is full of energy and आपके चेहरे से लगता है आप हमेशा खुश रहते हो.
yeah, that's
तो
true.
वो कैसे मेंटेन, हाउ डू यू डिफाइन हेल्थ हैप्पीनेस, वो कैसे आप एक साथ कर मैनेज करते हो? खुश रहने का वो हैक क्या है जो हमें आपसे सीखना चाहिए?
I think खुशी is a क्या ही बोलूं मैं अब. आप कौन सी चीज से सबसे ज्यादा खुश होते हो? You tell me that one thing that makes you happy.
सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ ए कैफे और लेट्स से सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ माउंटेन, जब
Yeah.
कैफे जहाँ पे माउंटेन्स में कैफे बैठ के
हाँ.
चाय का सिप लो, जस्ट ब्रीथ इन फ्रेश एयर, वो उससे मुझे एक अच्छा सा मेंटल पीस मिलता है.
Yeah. So I think खुशी is very this thing, it's all here.
ओके.
अगर मैं दिमाग से खुश हूँ, दिल से खुश हूँ ना, it will
हम्म.
reflect on my face. टेंशन सबके होते हैं, ट्रैफिक है, ये है, वो है, मेरी शादी है 2 हफ्ते में. I'm just going on trials, doing this, doing that.
ओके.
But still sitting here, it's just a moment, just a moment where I paused everything and I'm just enjoying it, enjoying the conversation.
करेक्ट.
Because I think हम लोग ना moment में रहना भूल गए. We always यहाँ पे बैठे हैं, but constantly we are thinking कि इसके बाद क्या करना
क्या
है, ये
करना है?
वो
Yes,
करना
yes,
है.
yes, yes.
That is okay, fine. That's our life. I also do the same.
Okay.
But sometimes you have to pause. You just have to pause. You have to zoom out. And you just have to enjoy this moment. I think today, in this couple of just less than an hour, I'll get to know you better. I'll know him. I'll know the entire crew. I met too many. I have been coming to this gym for such a
Yes.
long time. इतनी बातें हमारी कब हुई है किसी के साथ?
अभी भी नहीं हुई.
Correct?
Yes, yes, yes.
So I'm making a friend. I am getting to know another human being.
Correct.
So without paying money, people go to therapist, people go to a coffee shop, people
Correct.
go for join dating apps and meet people, pay the bills, and then get to know someone. I'm getting to know someone just like this.
It's like this, yes.
So it's important for you to understand, to live in the moment. इस
Yes.
moment को enjoy करना बहुत important है.
आजकल का भाग दौड़ भरी जिंदगी में like
नहीं होता है.
नहीं होता. Nobody pays even attention.
Yeah.
और घर के सामने वाले फ्लैट में कौन रहता है, we don't know that.
That's not a good thing. That
Yes.
I believe that's not a good thing. So it's okay. Social media is there.
Hmm.
Everything is there. But sometimes you need to pause. You just need to enjoy the moment. You just forget about everything. Enjoy the moment. और पता है, have you seen a lizard
Yes.
wall में?
हाँ हाँ.
उसको क्या लगता है पता है?
क्या?
वो अगर ऐसे छोड़ देगा ना, तो वो पूरा वॉल है उसके ऊपर गिर के आ जाएगा.
Okay.
That's the reason why lizards always चिपकली जो होता है ना, ऐसे अटक के रहते हैं दीवार के साथ. Because उनको लगता है if उनका एक भी हाथ हिल गया तो पूरा wall will fall on them. We are like that.
Okay.
Trust me, मैं अगर चली भी गई ना,
हाँ.
nothing will change. No one's life will change. So we have to stop thinking कि मैं नहीं होगा तो ये हो जाएगा, वो कुछ नहीं होगा. The world will revolve.
The world will
will
keep
rotate. It will
yes.
keep running. Nobody cares actually. Nobody cares. It's us who care so much. So yeah, I don't care. I just live the moment.
So this conversation is getting a little bit more engaging.
Becoming more spiritual.
Yes. Wait, do you are you like spirituality?
Not really. But yes, I have turned vegetarian
Okay.
1 year back.
Did it help?
No, I just love animals.
Okay.
That's the only reason. उससे पहले मैं सब कुछ खाती थी. अचानक मैंने एक इंस्टाग्राम में रील देखा. I was in Kerala actually.
Okay.
I was in Kochi.
Okay.
वहाँ पे मैं गई थी खाने के लिए. कुछ टेस्टी डिशेस बनते हैं नॉन वेज जो वहाँ के फेमस होते हैं. मैं गई थी फ्लाइट में चढ़ के क्या I'll have this. Next morning I told my hotel people that okay, I'm a vegetarian now, and they thought I am like mad or what. और मेरी twin sister थी because रात को I was very excited. I would have this mutton, chicken, whatever. But then morning ko instantly know I'm a vegetarian. So I saw an Instagram reel and I saw something which triggered me and I
Okay.
turned a vegetarian.
Okay, so
Today I don't eat non-veg food.
zero.
Zero. और वो वही मैं बोलती हूँ, कोई फोर्स करके नहीं करवा सकता है आपको। इट जस्ट हैपेंस। द स्पिरिचुअलिटी सब में है, वो कब हिट करता है आपको नहीं पता।
And so being a non-veg, अपने daily protein goals कैसे hit कर? Sorry, being a vegetarian,
Vegetarian.
आप अपने protein goals तो नहीं
So there's avocado, there's a lot of vegetables. Actually बहुत कुछ है।
आम इंसान क्या खा सकते हैं वो बताइए.
सब कुछ खा सकते हैं। You can see my being vegetarian is not for religious purpose.
But still like
It's a spiritual
yes,
purpose.
आप gym hit करो, you maintain your protein goals. So how being a vegetarian, आपको कैसे maintain करो? How do you maintain
So
them?
many plant-based diet. There are so plant-based protein intake आ गया है, protein powders, which is plant-based and which is natural and everything. उसके अलावा अभी naturally आप देखो, there is avocado, there is tofu, there is paneer, there is soyabean, there is rajma, there is chole, there is so many things. High protein meal are there. There are a lot of vegetables जो हम सोचते भी नहीं है. We always think non-veg से प्रोटीन मिलता है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. There are a lot of sportsmen and there are a lot of athletes who are actually vegetarian. Starting from Virat Kohli, he's a vegan. Look at Virat. There are a lot of other people also. There are a lot of sports person. I think, if I'm not wrong, Sunil Chhetri has turned into a vegan or vegetarian. I'm not sure, but जब मैं मिली थी उस time he was not having. He was having
Okay.
on plant-based. There are plant-based meats also available
Okay.
in the market. There are a lot of things. मुझे पता नहीं था, धीरे धीरे मुझे पता चल रहा है because of course I want to have my proper amount of protein and everything. So वो भी एक myth है.
Okay.
वो हो जाता है. But then again, I'm not forcing anyone to become a vegetarian because my one is not a religious purpose. It's absolutely a spiritual call. आप अगर बिरयानी खा रहे हो, मटन बिरयानी खा रहे हो, मैं वहाँ से राइस और आलू लेके मैं खा लूँगी.
Okay.
मटन आप मैं वैसी वाली मतलब वेजिटेरियन हूँ.
Okay.
So yeah.
So after turning into vegetarian, तो what are the changes like you have seen in your body? वो कुछ तो changes हुआ होगा.
You feel light. You feel less bloated.
गुस्सा कहाँ आता है? Because मैंने सुना है जो लोग वेजिटेरियन टर्न अप होते हैं ना उनका गुस्सा कम आता है.
वो मिथ है, मुझे लगता है. मेरी एक बहुत पुरानी चाची थी, दूध की चाची, वो वेजिटेरियन थी. दिन भर उसको गुस्सा आता था. I don't know from where you have heard it. My chachi was contrasting. She used to have vegetarian food and she used to do kit with everyone. Wherever you have heard that, that's a myth.
Okay.
ऐसा
ऐसा
कुछ नहीं है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. गुस्सा आना is all about here again. मुझे अगर अभी लगता है कि यार मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है, तुम पे तो गुस्सा आ रहा है. नहीं आ रहा है तो नहीं आ रहा है. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Gussa is very subjective, I feel. Hate, I don't say anyone I hate him or hate her. Because hate or love ना बहुत strong है. वो easily आप किसी से नहीं कर सकते हो. आप easily किसी को प्यार भी नहीं कर सकते हो. easily किसी से नफरत भी नहीं कर सकते हो.
Okay.
So there's something called I don't care. I'm in that zone. If I don't किसी से बनती नहीं है तो I don't care. And put so much of head into it. इतना कुछ है. मेरे तो डॉग्स हैं, मैं उनको देख लूं, उनसे बात कर लेती हूँ. वो तो कुछ भी बोलते थे. सारे बातों में उसको हाँ ही बोलते हैं.
फिर भी बोल के हाँ वो सब ऐसे ही
हंसते हंसते जा रहे खुश है. So I think I feel like a dog. I'm just happy soul.
Yes. So बहुत कुछ हमको भी सीखने को मिल रहा है आपसे. Like I really like आपका जो स्माइलिंग नेचर है, आप जैसे बात कर रहे हो, it's been really inspirational. इतना स्ट्रेस होने के बाद भी you manage your time, you come and hit a daily workout, घर जाके रूटीन फॉलो करना, जो मोस्ट ऑफ द हम लोग भी लेजी हो जाता है कभी कभार. और स्टिल लाइक द होल हेक्टिक थिंग आप आज मिड वीक में आके हम लोग के साथ बैठ के फॉर दिस डिस्कशन, इट्स रियली
fun.
ग्रेट. इट्स रियली फन.
Actually, it's fun. I think स्ट्रेस किसको नहीं है, इनको है, सबको है. तो
Yes, obviously.
सबको स्ट्रेस है. बेचारे कान में हेडफोन लगा के बैठा है, हम दोनों इधर देख रहे हैं. Just imagine his level of stress. He doesn't know what is going to happen.
Yes.
He can't take a bathroom break. He can't drink water. He can't do hiccups. He can't take calls. So he's just sitting there and thinking, okay, मुझसे ज़्यादा इससे ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस तो हम दोनों नहीं हो सकते. हम तो सब पे लड़ा रहे हैं.
सो अभी बहुत सारा बातें हो गई हम लोगों में. सो लाइक बीइंग ए रेडियो जॉकी सबका एक स्पेशल मोमेंट होता है. तो आपका वो स्पेशल ऑन एयर मोमेंट क्या था दैट हैज बीन द बिगेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ एंड जिससे लाइक कैन ऑल्सो इंस्पायर अस?
इन 2009 ऑफ कोर्स हर एक आरजे का स्पेशल मोमेंट वही होता है जब वो पहला बार वो ऑन एयर जाता है,
Hmm.
लाइव जाता है.
Hmm.
So for me also that's one epic moment.
Hmm.
But I have to tell you हर एक आरजे का ना एक मोमेंट होता है जहाँ पे वो goof up करता है,
Okay.
गलतियां करता है या
हाँ.
करती है,
Hmm.
वो उन्हें ना हमेशा याद रहता है.
Okay.
एंड अब तब तो मुझे लगा था कि बस हो गई मेरी, माय करियर इज ओवर.
हाँ.
But it never happened. So I am a huge, I was not a very sports fan. I'm not a
Mhm.
person who used to follow sports.
Hmm.
So there was this cricket match happening. It was World Cup actually.
Hmm.
So रात को मैच था, सुबह में हाइलाइट्स चल रहे थे. I was doing the morning show. Usually I used to do the evening show. I'm talking about 2009 or 10
Okay.
probably.
Okay.
So usually मैं इवनिंग शो करती हूँ तो मैं लाइव अपडेट्स देती थी कि ये हो रहा है वो हो रहा है, मैच के अपडेट्स होते हैं. सुबह में उस दिन मैं सुबह वाला शो भी कर रही थी, तो सुबह जो आरजे है, मॉर्निंग आरजे, wasn't unwell, so I had to replace him.
Hmm.
So I was doing the morning show and I saw highlights. So मुझे ये नहीं पता था कि ये हाइलाइट्स है और ये लाइव मैच नहीं है.
Hmm.
सो मैं तो फुल ऑन एनर्जी के साथ सुबह 7 बजे से ये है मैच में, ये हो रहा है वो हो रहा है, एवरीथिंग एवरी. और स्टूडियो में क्या होता है ना, यू कैन नॉट जस्ट एंटर. There's this glass door. From there my manager or my show producer is constantly looking at, telling me look at me. But मैं तो एकदम straight देख के मैं बोले जा रही हूँ अपडेट ये वो calls भी आ रहे हैं, everything, and I was not taking calls because I thought I will make this show all about cricket, and it was an India match previous night. So I was all the more excited कि सुबह match चल रहा है and everything. And then suddenly my show producer couldn't hold himself. He just entered the room when I was off. मतलब जब मैं ऑनलाइन ऑन एयर नहीं थी, आके मुझे बोल रहे हैं कि वो मैच नहीं है, वो हाइलाइट्स है, हाइलाइट्स, मैच नहीं चल रहा है. मुझे तो लगा कि मेरा करियर खत्म. मुझे लगा मैं, वो होता है ना रैबिट की तरह, ऐसे मिट्टी के अंदर में घुस जाऊं. But then what? I have done it. So I went on air. Next link में I went on air. I said, oh, I was having fun. मजाक कर रही थी, लेकिन क्या करूं, इंडिया का मैच था. इंडिया का मैच ही ऐसा है, जोश भरा है. रात का पूरा हैंगओवर अभी तक गया नहीं है, इसलिए मैं रात के बारे में कुछ बोलने लग गई, अभी एक्साइटेड हो गई. So I just covered it up. But then I think more than good moments, these are the moments you remember forever. And then जब मैं आप नए जॉक से, नए आर्टिस्ट से मिलती हूँ, नए टैलेंट से मिलती हूँ, उनको मैं बोलती हूँ ये सारी गलतियों के बारे में, मैं उनको कहानियां बताती हूँ. So that they don't get scared to make mistakes. Mistakes are done by them, those who try. अगर आप कोशिश नहीं करोगे तो आप
You never make mistake. Yes. And this is what I tell my team. You work. काम करो, गलती होगा.
Of course.
I'm there to guide you.
Of course.
But अगर आप काम नहीं करो, गलतियां भी नहीं होगी.
नहीं होगी. So yeah.
And yes, जब गलतियां तो you shouldn't be scared.
No.
उसको like पकड़ के नहीं बैठना.
Yeah, absolutely. You have to own it actually.
Yes.
You have to own your mistakes. काफी जगह में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, we never own our mistakes. We keep on saying कि नहीं, गलती नहीं हुई. You always pause and say, हाँ गलती हुई है, but I will make sure that ये गलती फिर से ना.
Yes.
So
And
that's the
this is
approach.
how you climb the ladder of success.
Absolutely, I agree. I have learned it from all the people I have interviewed actually
Okay.
in my life. So yes, that's I think I have learned from my career, from my journey in life. Interviewing people, you learn from them.
Yes.
I've interviewed a layman, I have interviewed normal listeners, से लेके I have interviewed stars and celebrities. So I have learned it from them. You have to be just confident and positive and honest. That's it.
Absolutely. And this is the one last question I ask whoever comes to our podcast. What will be that one piece of advice you would like to give to our members?
One piece of advice to all your members.
Yes, that will motivate them, inspire them in their day-to-day life, in their fitness journey.
I think before after picture motivate करता है, लेकिन वो बिफोर आफ्टर पिक्चर से भी सबसे ज्यादा उन्हें मोटिवेट कर सकता है वो खुद. मैं जो पहले बोली थी, they have to face themselves and they have to tell this to themselves कि let's do it. ये let's do it ना नहीं आता है easily. We don't say let's do it. Like for this interview also, I could have said नहीं ठीक है, कल करते हैं, परसों करते हैं. But what I said is like, okay, let's do it.
Let's do it.
So let's do it is very important. कि let's do it नहीं आता है. So dogs का एक अजीब सा साइकोलॉजी होता है. जब भी आप उनसे मिलते हो, आपके घर में हो या रास्ते में, आप कोई भी बॉल दोगे या कुछ भी दोगे ना, वो भाग के लेके आते हैं. वो they never say कि नहीं यार आज मूड नहीं है. Have you ever seen a dog saying नहीं आज मूड नहीं है, कल खेलेंगे? They don't say, right? They just play.
Yes.
So let's do it वाला एक फंडा है. So before after the picture, of course, वो inspire करता है. You know, in every gym I see there is a corner where we put before and after picture.
yes.
लेकिन before में अगर आप let's do it नहीं बोलोगे ना, तो वो after वाला नहीं आए. So you know, for any transformation, you have to do it, and you have to say this to it.
जिंदगी में कुछ भी करना, जब भी अपॉर्चुनिटी आए, लेट्स
Let's
डू
do
इट.
it.
बाद में देखा जाएगा जो
क्या होगा होगा नहीं. आप fail, you will fail, right?
यस
That's
यस.
okay. That's fine.
उससे सीख के नया कुछ करेंगे.
Yes, you never know.
It was such a wonderful conversation. आज बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. Even like your personality has also inspired a lot of us. आज पूरा crew normally सब कुछ सोचते हैं. They were also enjoying with the show.
Well, I'm glad I could, you know, be a part of this amazing conversation. It's so much fun to meet all of you, especially you, Shreedeep, and to everyone. बहुत stressful job है आपका. by the way.
Thank you so much. And आपके लिए बहुत सारे members भी motivated रहेंगे जो लोग देख रहे हैं. They will also learn a lot of things from you. आपका हंसता हुआ चेहरा, how to be happy and calm के साथ जिम फिटनेस कैसे मैनेज करना है,
Thank you so much.
is really inspiring.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. And with this we end our episode. And I wish all our members stay fit, stay healthy, and let's make healthy happen.